Don't publish your content until it's been thoroughly edited. But you don't have to spend big bucks on an editor. I'm going to tell you how to edit your own content. Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Right Solutions. Your content says something about you, and if it's riddled with errors, it looks like you are careless and unprofessional. And that's probably not the message that you want to send to your audience. Before you hit publish on your next blog post or social media post, make sure you take the time to edit your work. You don't have to hire an editor to do that though. Instead, use these easy steps to help you edit your own content. First, always take a few hours off between creating the content and actually hitting publish. It could be a couple hours up to a couple of days. It's totally up to you, and it's up to you to figure out how much space you need between the writing and creating process and the publishing stage. Taking this time off helps you to look at the work with some fresh eyes. It might help you to think about some additional points that you meant to make or stories you want to tell. Plus, if creating content is not your favorite thing to do, you will be a little less resentful of that content and be able to look at it with a fresh brain. As you are looking over your content with some fresh eyes, make sure that you are reading it very carefully word for word. It's really difficult to find errors in your own writing because you made the error in the first place. Therefore, you are going to likely skim over where the error is and just kind of read the information as you expect your audience to. If you get frustrated, take a nap, take a night off, go have lunch with a friend, and then come back to it. Next, I want to make sure that you are editing from your reader's perspective. You are really deep into the story or the content that you are sharing with your audience. Think about it from your reader's perspective and understand that they may not have all the background information that you have. Ask yourself if you're using jargon that maybe your audience won't understand. Is there a backstory that you need to quickly fill them in on so that they can understand the entire piece of content? Don't just assume that they know what you know. You might want to ask a few of your audience members as well to make sure that everyone has the whole picture. And finally, read your piece aloud. I know it sounds kind of funny, but it's a lot easier to hear the errors than it is to actually see them. When you read your content aloud, you'll be able to get a better idea of the voice and tone that you're taking in the piece, and you'll be able to see those errors a little bit better, making it easier for you to edit your own content. Your professionalism is truly on the line every time you publish a new piece of content. No one ever expects you to be perfect, but you do need to present a professional image with every piece of content that you put out there. You will drastically cut back on your errors by just taking a little bit of extra time and editing your work before you hit publish. If you have any questions about how to edit your own work or maybe a challenge that you are seeing in your own work, make sure you comment below and I will be sure to respond. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.